The NAWAPA concept includes a seaway between Lake Winnipeg and Hudson Bay via the Nelson River. Another seaway would connect Georgian Bay with James Bay. A barge canal would connect the ore fields of Labrador and Quebec with the Great Lakes. These waterways would provide Canada with cheap ship and barge transport, thereby opening its iron ore, coal, potash, sulfur, forestry, and agricultural resources to extensive development. The waterways would also contribute to the economic welfare of Ontario and Quebec, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Pennsylvania, and New York, which are closely and historically associated with the Great Lakes. Branching off from the Canadian Great Lakes Canal, another canal large enough for barges connects with the Missouri and Minnesota river systems to serve the needs of Montana, Wyoming, North Dakota, South Dakota, Nebraska, and Iowa. Actually, all the Central Plains states and all those bordering the Mississippi River would benefit. The NAWAPA system will not interfere with any existing, programmed, or planned water and power development projects. NAWAPA is conceived as a bulk supplier of water and power and can support or augment projects planned or in being. Case in point, on the Columbia River development, NAWAPA can benefit the basin by regulating flows in the Columbia and Fraser River systems and thereby provide positive flood control and firm power throughout the year. At present, the Columbia's high water comes in early summer from melting snow and glaciers. But summer is the season of lowest power consumption. In winter, when water available for power is at the lowest level, demand for power is at the greatest level. The NAWAPA system is capable, in many areas, of providing the checks and balances to help make present developments more productive and stable. From the primary Northwest collection area alone, NAWAPA would initially deliver a total of approximately 110 million acre-feet of water per year. Its capability as compared to other projects, plans, and concepts is a realistic measure of its scope. It is estimated that a total of 30 million kilowatts of power will be required for the pumping systems. Since the total power generated is estimated at 100 million kilowatts, 70 million kilowatts will be available for sale at the bus bar at competitive prices. Income from the sale of power will keep water rates reasonable. A few basic statistics about NAWAPA are interesting. There will be mass earth movement of 32 billion cubic yards. Steel consumption will be some 30 million tons. 100,000 tons of copper and aluminum will be needed. Power and facility requirements will come to $10 billion. Construction equipment and tools will run some $5 billion. At present prices, the investment for land acquisition and relocation, engineering, construction, and contingencies is estimated at $100 billion over the 30-year period that will turn the NAWAPA concept into reality. Although the overall estimated investment is expended over the 30-year period of development, after about 9 years, returns will start coming in from sale of water and surplus power. Through a continuing and expanding sale of power and water as they become available, part of the total investment will be met by income. Ultimate annual returns will be more than $4 billion from the sale of power and low-cost water at competitive rates. In addition to the direct revenues derived from the sale of water and power, other benefits of great value would accrue to the three nations. Overall land values would increase, resulting in a broadened tax base. Tourism would benefit from formation of new scenic and navigable waterways. Recreational facilities would be expanded by the creation of new lakes. Fish and game resources would be appreciably increased. Positive flood control could be exercised. Business and labor, on an almost continent-wide basis, would share the benefits of a project of this magnitude. Both directly and indirectly, the impetus given industry would accelerate the annual growth rate of the gross national product and create thousands of new jobs. New industrial activity would be encouraged by the availability of water and power. It is true that before work can start, there must be treaties and agreements, and time for detailed survey and planning. This means far-sighted thinking and action at local, national, and international levels. The United States government, well aware that total water management is vital to meet future needs, is taking action by positive analysis of various water resources development plans. Of all these plans, the North American Water and Power Alliance, called NAWAPA, offers the greatest benefit, not only because of overall size and scope, but also because of effective utilization of fresh water resources in the full meaning of total water management.